Hello there, and welcome back to our stage here at the Spanish Pavilion. We are going to start with the next company presentation, so if you'd please take a seat. As you know, we're using this space to dedicate it to our co-exhibitor companies so that they can come up here and give us a small presentation on their business model or what solutions they're offering in the current technological climate. We're going to go ahead and continue with the presentation from Future Connections. You can find them in booth number 15 within the Spanish Pavilion. And Patricia Delgado over here, she's the Global Sales Director. She'll be leading the presentation about Smart Network Automation Solutions by Future Connections. Well, whenever you're ready, Patricia.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. My name is Patricia Delgado. I'm the Global Sales Director from Future Connections, and hopefully in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to introduce you to our main highlights. Let me go. Yes. So what is Future Connections' mission? Oops. Yes. So we support customer service providers, so operators, along their autonomous network journeys. Yes, our solutions, service, and products help them to optimize and automate the network processes, providing new levels of efficiencies. In this slide, you can see the main highlights of our solutions who help them to minimize the CapEx and OpEx. There are modular solutions, neutral vendor, and they work for all the technology as well. They tackle a specific use case and tend to automate processes, and obviously will reduce the manual error, increasing the efficiency. Our solutions aims to standardize the network processes across the whole network and across vendors. In that sense, we help with the fast-track delivery in productions with our agile delivery methodologies. I think that this is our portfolio. We do have a portfolio of automation solutions that they work in the traditional network, in the legacy network, 2G, 3G, 4G, but they are also prepared to work in the open RAN, so in the new technologies. So in the traditional network, they work with the SON, and the new technologies, new open RAN, they will work on top of their rig. So here in the Mobile World Congress, we announced a product that we have in the making now, which is our any rig middle translator. Sorry, that's the any rig translator or middleware is supposed to bridge between the traditional solutions and the Open RAN, and we will see later in another slide. All our solutions here implement the required data analytics, also make use of AI/ML to do clustering, to predict the behavior, the profiling of the network element. And on top of that, we have our professional services that support our customer in tackling new problems, the challenges, and to automate further in the processes. The any rig translator, in a nutshell, aims to bridge between the legacy and the new world, so that help to, we say, extend the life of the application. So our customer today, they have applications working in the SON, in the legacy, and they do want to apply the same policies in the new Open RAN environment. So with our that layer of translator will orchestrate the application across the ecosystem, and will also help with the API, with the distribution of the APIs. So the benefits obviously will standardize the process across the network, helping to reduce the OPEX and reduce the time to market. So future connections also offer all these professional services to help customers, well, to implement those challenges or answers to the challenges that we don't have in our portfolio. So if there is a need for a special data analytic or data lake or migrating into the cloud, digitalization, this famous digitalization journey or autonomous network journeys, we going together, hands with hands, to support them. The way we offer the professional services, obviously we have a consultancy approach. We listen to them, we work with them to understand the challenges, put together a plan in the stages normally, then we execute, we do the delivery validations together, and finally, obviously, we're going into support phase. Here I wanted to show you some of our main use cases. So that we are showing here in the booth 15, right? So we have a spectrum efficiency. We have implemented these use cases with the VMware by Broadcom rig. And basically what it does is automating the sales coverage and the user and traffic distribution through the adjustment of the antennal tilt. That's the first one. We also have an energy saver that dynamically orchestrate the power consumption features that the equipment vendors provide, the radio equipment vendors provide. Our smart planner help the operators to stretch the current capacity and delay that investment. So if they are today in 4G, and they can see the demand, they forecast an increasing traffic, that application will provide recommendation of how to answer to that demand with a minimum cost, whether it is a change in the tilt, to add it a new antenna, or maybe a carrier, or maybe the next step will be the rollout of a new site. And finally, the supervisor, which is is just a real-time PM monitoring and for performance degradation detection. And I'm gonna finalize here with the highlights of our customers, of our company, Future Connections. Our customer found in us that combination of a telco knowledge and expertise together with IT background. So we have a deep telco expertise that is help us to implement those automation solutions. We make use of the AI/ML and techniques, as I said before. And well, in a nutshell, our use case has highly customizable solutions, and they are Open RAN ready already. And well, they're very cost effective. So this is all for me. Thank you very much. If you want more details, please stop by. We are in booth 15, around the corner, in front of the networking area. And thank you very much for today. Enjoy the rest of the Mobile World Congress. Thank you. Me he puesto en